Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by softening the sticker so it separates cleanly. Apply steady heat for 5–10 seconds along a single edge. This loosens adhesive fibers. Once done, use a plastic scraper to lift an edge. Work slowly so the vinyl peels without tearing. If an edge resists, reheat that small area rather than forcing it. Make sure to keep a razor handy only to cut glue threads, not to score glass. This reduces scratches and speeds the next steps. You continue by peeling and removing glue residue. Peel at a 45 degrees angle, keeping motion steady. Reheat every 10–20 seconds to prevent tearing. Once the vinyl is off, apply adhesive remover or 70–90% isopropyl alcohol. Let it sit for 30–60 seconds, then scrub with the plastic scraper. For stubborn spots, use a razor lightly flat against the glass while holding the remover. This lifts clinging adhesive. Finally, wipe the whole area with a microfiber cloth to evaluate any remaining film. You finish by preparing the surface and applying the new sticker. Clean with glass cleaner, dry with a lint-free cloth, and inspect for any haze or residue. Even small particles will trap bubbles. When applying, align the top edge, tack one side, then use a squeegee from the center outward to push out air. Go slow to avoid creases. If residue or haze remains, repeat the solvent and scraping process on a small test area. This troubleshooting step prevents long-term adhesion problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.